In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through how to add the official Microsoft Teams calls app into your Slack workspace so you can start or join Teams calls directly from Slack. Make sure you're signed into both Slack and Microsoft Teams in your browser before you begin, and that you have permission to install apps in your Slack workspace. If you don't, you may need an admin to approve the installation for you. Start by opening Slack in your browser or desktop app and navigate to the channel where you want to use Microsoft Teams calls most often. This can be any channel. We're just using it as our starting point so you can see where the integration will appear later. On the left-hand sidebar in Slack, look for the Apps section. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to scroll down a bit or hover near the bottom of the sidebar so the Apps option becomes visible. Click on Apps to open the app browser inside Slack. If a second Apps button appears in the main window, click that as well to fully expand the app directory view. From here, look for a button or link labeled Add Apps and click it. This takes you into the Slack app directory where you can search for third-party integrations. In the search bar at the top, start typing Microsoft Teams calls. As you type, Slack will filter the results. When you see Microsoft Teams calls appear in the list of apps, click on it to open the app's details page. This page explains what the app does, what permissions it needs, and how it integrates with your workspace. Take a moment to quickly review the description and the permissions so you understand what access you're granting. Next, click on the button that takes you to install the app, then select Add to Slack. Slack will now guide you through an authorization flow. You'll see a screen asking you to allow Microsoft Teams calls to access certain parts of your Slack workspace, such as reading user information and posting messages on your behalf for calls. Click Allow to confirm and continue. After that, your browser will redirect you to a Microsoft Permissions page. This is where you connect your Microsoft account so Teams can work with Slack. Review the requested permissions, then click Accept. Once that's done, you'll be redirected back, and the integration is complete. You can now start or join Microsoft Teams calls directly from Slack channels and messages.